Hey guys, super excited. Just got this indoor basketball hoop that I'm about to put together for my daughter. It is the basketball scoring hoop. It has the counter, and I'm looking forward to getting this set up. Okay, let me show you what it comes with. Here you have the backboard, a nice fiberglass backboard there. Here's the metal rim. You have two basketballs, the air pump, the nets. And this is what I'm really excited about because this is the infrared counter and it also has a speaker in it and you can play cheering noise while you're playing the basketball game. Okay, got it together. It comes with two basketballs. It even has a little breakaway spring on it, if you can see that, which is good for dunking. But what I like about it, it has these cushions on the back, so it's not banging up against the door, and it has the infrared. So this is how it'll work. So say you're having a shooting contest. When the ball goes through the hoop, it gives you a count, and it gives you your applause. So we're going to get it put up, and we'll take a couple shots and show you how it actually works.